that. Yes. Yes. Ideal. All the way from Coleg Cambria, this.
Thank you. Our next song is Redbone by Childish Gambino. Thank you. This is now our last song, and it is Virtual Insanity by Jamiroquai. Ooh, hey, hey, oh, what we're living in, let me tell you. And it's a wonder man can need to tell when things are big that should be small. Who can tell what magic spells we'll be doing for us? And I'm giving all my love to this world, only to be told I can't see, I can't breathe, no more will we be. And nothing's gonna change the way we live, 'cause we can always take but never give. And now that things are changing for the worse, see, whoa, it's a crazy world we're living in. And I just can see that half of us immersed in sin is all we have to give these futures made of virtual insanity. Now always seem to be governed by this love we have for useless twisting of our new technology. Oh, now there is no sound, for we all live underground. And I'm thinking what a mess we're in, hard to know where to begin. If I could slip the sickly ties of earthly men has made, and now every mother can choose the color of her child. That's not nature's way. Well, that's what they suggest today. There's nothing left to do but pray. I think it's time I found a new religion. Whoa, it's so insane to synthesize enough straight. There's something in these futures that we have to be told. Futures made of virtual insanity. Now always seem to be governed by this love we have for useless twisting of our new technology. Oh, now there is no sound, but we all live underground. Oh, now there is no sound, if we all live underground. And now it's virtual insanity, that's your virtual reality. Oh, there's nothing so bad as a man-made man. Oh yeah, I know, yeah. Futures made of virtual insanity. Now always seem to be governed by this love we have for useless twisting of our new technology. Oh, now there is no sound, for we all live underground.
Thank you very much.